Hi everyone, I'm Kat, founder of Clear Unity Bags. Today I'm going to introduce you to our very popular clear backpack. So much fun to wear, so versatile, and just the right size. So this is our black one. It has a cool handle at the top so you can just grab it and go. Easy to adjust straps on the side. A nice feature, it does cinch here and it creates these cool kind of tassels on the side. This is a metal clasp, which is easy to get in and out of even when you're wearing it. I like to have my charms, you guys know that. This has a real cool kind of like clicking sound when you put it together, so you know it's in there securely. This is a vegan pebble leather. So it's soft to the skin, but it doesn't fall off your shoulder easily. And so if you're wearing like a spaghetti strap or a dress, it's not gonna cut into your skin weird. So you see it has sort of like a thinner kind of profile to it. Doesn't take up a whole lot of space on my back. And it's smaller, but it still holds a lot. And it's that soft kind of vinyl, so it's not gonna feel weird against your skin if you're wearing like a swimsuit top. This is our blue and our red one. I had a lot of requests to have these in school colors. So it's a deeper blue and a deeper red. And again, that soft kind of vinyl material, which is easy to clean, just a wet washcloth and dry it. And of course, our entire line is vegan. And you can see here, I've put so much in it. I've put like a big sunblock, I put a water bottle, a book, scrunchie, and this is even a huge water bottle. So you can see just how much it holds, and yet it's kind of still small and thin profile. So these are really fun. They are $49. Check them out. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.